camera one.
Okay. So I'm holding his, whatever. Okay. So you'll turn your head scoot up towards me 2 inches or so. Or 3. It's okay if you're uncomfortable. But
Great.
no, I'm just saying. So, and then turn your head to the left. And just let that relax. You pretty relaxed, right? Okay. Just let that go. There. Just come on, let it go. Try to let it go. You want me to stop, or you want to? I'm not being funny. I'm just.
No, give me a second to just.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, good. How are you doing? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You're not just saying that.
I hope not.
I hope not.
Okay, just try to go to sleep here. I hope. Oh, okay, good. Back to the middle. I think we're tired again. We meaning you.
That's what Sujarta says. We this, oh, that's you.
Okay, push up your 2 legs into my hand hard. That was pretty good. Put a hand there. A little more to that. There you go. Okay. Push up your 2 legs. Well, hold on a second. I wasn't ready. Push up your 2 legs hard. Again. Okay, good. You can relax. Yeah. So we're doing the same thing we just did. Everyone in the room can know that, even me. Okay. So scoot up 1 or 2 inches towards me. Let me borrow your head here. Relax that. Arms come down. Okay, how's your chin? Okay, back to the middle. So your jaw's good, right? Yeah?
Good, I guess.
You're okay? I mean, you don't feel anything in your jaw?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll go ahead and lie on your back. Okay, Ray, let's find out about the jaw. Okay. I'm glad you like that. Jaw feels a little out on the right, but not too bad. It's worth helping you with. Okay, so we'll do a jaw adjustment. This is over here. My hand's going to be here. Chuck, my hand will be like that.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay. You can scoot up towards me. You're pretty tall anyway, so good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So eyes however you want. It's okay. That feels a wee bit better. Okay, Ray, how's the diet been? Did it taste good? I mean, you must have enjoyed it. I mean, it must have been tasty. I mean, why didn't you invite me over? I mean, what were you thinking?
Let's see, what did I have? We had salmon last night.
Was it a brew? Did you have any brewskis?
No.
Okay, well, what?
I wish I had.
It could be the mold that we're talking about. So, and not anything you ate. Something you ate, something you drank, something you came into contact with, something you didn't do, something other than breathing. Something other than breathing. Okay. Something fermented. Anything that was a complex carb or fermented?
No, I've been pretty...
Vinegar?
Vinegar. Might have been vinegar in a salad dressing.
Okay, yeah, because of the home you're in, it's not working. So as soon as you move out, you can have all that stuff. But okay.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so we'll adjust his atlas because I'm concerned about him, and I'm gonna help him with everything. It's good that you're here. We're helping you with all this stuff.
Good.
Are you moderately relaxed?
Yeah, moderately.
Okay. Yeah, I mean I feel this like big time. Okay, let that relax there. Okay, just try to go to sleep and what is the how is the sleep, if you don't mind me asking?
How was it sleep?
How's sleep quality? A little better.
Yeah, you know, I just do a lot of lucid dreaming.
Oh, really?
Like, you know, partially awake and partially asleep.
So breathe in, and I'm pushing on the atlas, and out, and and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. Okay. Eyes all open for now.
Mhm.
Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Okay, the best thing we can do for you now is structural, chemical, meridian. Meridian. Didn't expect that, right?